Hey guys, so Vineet here, and today we are in Tallinn. So this is Ida Prima behind me, and I am going to Tallinn. Okay, so the first thing first, I was in Tallinn last week, and I just wanted to search what is there and what is not, and I found really interesting places. And Tallinn, I want to do mostly like if you're a photographer, I want to say you to do two things. One is really visit this photography museum. Okay, it's a small photography museum, but it's really nice, really. And the second thing is I am going to ramen, Jo Ramen. It's like last time I was there. If you follow me in Instagram, you will see this picture of this Jo, and the ramen was really nice. I'm a big Naruto fan, so I saw this. I saw this thing from Naruto, that Naruto always eat ramen, and India we don't have ramen. So when I saw in Tallinn, I couldn't stop myself and I went outside. So we'll see. And he is one of my colleague is working.
Hey, hello. Ano po na Suzam? Yeah, Golsa.
So he is Deepak. He's working right now, and we are going to the Tallinn. See you. So guys, I'm going out right now, and Tallinn, I want to do mostly like if you're a photographer, I want to say you to do two things. One is really visit this photography museum. Okay, it's a small photography museum, but it's really nice, really. And the second thing is I am going to ramen, Jo Ramen. It's like last time I was there. If you follow me in Instagram, you will see this picture of this Jo, and the ramen was really nice. I'm a big Naruto fan, so I saw this. I saw this thing from Naruto, that Naruto always eat ramen, and India we don't have ramen. So when I saw in Tallinn, I couldn't stop myself and I went outside. So we'll see. And he is one of my colleague is working.
Hey, hello. Ano po na Suzam? Yeah, Golsa.
So he is Deepak. He's working right now, and so guys, we are with Ida Prima behind. It's my ship where I work, and I want to have a jump picture. So Deepak, are you ready?
Yeah.
So I will have a jump picture, okay?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Gotcha.
Thank you so much. I think
Look
it's
at the
really
picture.
nice.
Look at the picture.
Oh, I want to see the picture. Okay. Okay, I will show them in.
Tukmada.
Oh. So it was a nice experience. So see you, brother.
See you, buddy.
I'm going to the city. So there is a bunker, and I think this is the logo for this nuclear bomb or something. So I think there is a real bunker here, and it's written bunker. So I don't know. And I saw this place last time when I was going back to the ship. So I want to see like what is there, what is so special that a lot of people like to go there, and then it's really like not that easy to come. But I hope I can go inside the bunker. Oh, so this is a disappointment. I thought that okay, everybody is going up. So there is something really special in the top, and then I can see some bunker or something amazing things, but there is nothing here. So sometimes you see a lot of people are going and you follow them for the nice view, but I think this is a nice thing. You follow them for the nice view or something, and then you got to know that fucking kidding me, there is nothing. But we have these small friends. Oh, so this is a disappointment. I thought that okay, everybody is going up. So there is something really special in the top, and then I can see some bunker or something amazing things, but there is nothing here. So sometimes you see a lot of people are going and you follow them for the nice view, but I think this is a nice thing. You follow them for the nice view or something, and then you got to know that fucking kidding me, there is nothing. But we have these small friends. So guys, I am in the city right now. It's a old town they call it, and the old town have really beautiful buildings, old buildings, and we will have a look. Last time I was roaming around, and I lost my way last time, so I saw a lot more than usual. But I like these buildings, like really. If I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's really like beautiful with old cultures and all. It looks really nice. We will see. I can click a lot of pictures here. I'm not a big fan of architecture photography because it's not my thing, it's not my cup of tea. And there is a church, you can see. Okay, so I'm excited. I think I can see ramen shop. It's not that far from here because last time I was walking the same place, and I think first stop is ramen shop, but I think I will limit this video to ramen shop only because I don't want the video to be really big. But we will see. Let's meet our friend Joe from last time. I hope he will be happy to see us.
Hello.
You remember?
Remember.
So he's our friend Joe from
Yes,
last
yes,
time.
yes,
You saw
yes.
my Insta. So this is our first destination. Actually, no, I'm really hungry. It's already I think 12 o'clock, and I don't have much time here this time. And last time I ate ramen with chicken. You can see. So Joe, what can I eat today? What do you suggest me?
What do you mean?
Last time I ate ramen with chicken.
Chicken, yes.
But this time, what do you?
I think pork you eat, yeah?
No, with the chicken. Ramen with chicken. Yeah.
Maybe I make you the pork.
This
or
about this Thai curry something.
okay, green curry, you mean?
I don't know.
Yeah. Thai green curry.
Oh yeah, Thai green curry. It's really nice.
Yeah.
So can I have one green Thai curry
With shrimps or with fish?
with shrimps? I don't like it.
Which fish?
I don't like fish, so.
Okay, shrimps.
Fine. Yeah.
Okay. I will start to make you them. I just bring one package more.
Scared of new things. I never had this before.
Green curry?
No.
No? But in Thai green curry, most important is this Thai green curry paste.
Like spices.
Like spices, yeah. Just like this one.
Ah, so you prepare every day?
Yes.
Wow. It's crazy. Oh, it smells really nice.
You want spicy or no?
Yeah, spicy is fine with me.
It's going a little bit fish sauce.
This is so nice.
Then it's going palm sugar.
Like, So guys, whenever you're coming to Tallinn, if you are like me, ramen fan, you can come to Jo's Ramen. It's really nice. It's really close to the pier. If you're coming with the cruise ship, it's really easy. 10 minutes walking and you can come here. I was just walking and just like 10 minutes. You can also in Google Map or something. It's really easy, but you will love it.
Carrots.
Plenty. You will really gonna hate me. It's about people and now my favorite ramen.
Yeah, noodles.
Kuule, aga me lähme siis. Väike kuhupiimasall.
Oh, with rice.
Yeah.
Kuna ta siis 10 punkti, siis lihtsalt see oli põnev ja siis peaks valida. Kui mina tegin 6 ära, siis ma
It looks really nice. Thank you so much.
Mis ma nüüd teen?
lihtsalt siis nõu pane. Mingi võrrelda.
Green curry, yeah?
The first of things that he told me it's a bit spicy, and I'm Indian, so we will see which one is best. And this sauce is really nice, really nice. We have also in the ship, and then I know the taste is really amazing. And he have a special, I don't understand because it's in Japanese, but it's from Japan, and it's I think it's also some spices inside, maybe chili powder, but it's really nice. Ooh, look at the yumminess. And how can we have food without wine? Because Joe have really good wines. Last time I drink wine, and can I have the wine, the same wine as the last time?
Okay. I think this was this.
Yeah, from France.
From France.
Yeah. So we have a wine and oh, this is so nice. Thank you so much. So, cheers.
Cheers.
So guys, I want to have a bite, and there are shrimps. There are shrimps inside. I don't know. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay, it's a bit spicy.
It's spicy, yeah.
Okay, but the taste is okay. It's spicy, but the taste is like wow.
You say Indian?
It's something. No, it's not Indian. It's
But you say that you want
yeah,
spicy.
Indian people have spicy, but this spicy is completely different. Like it's
But
the
it's-
taste is.
Yeah, but it's if you take rice now, it's going away.
I know this taste. I know this taste from somewhere, but the spiciness coming after this taste is like, wow. Where I had this taste, I don't
I
understand.
think you have in India curry too some ingredients the same.
Yeah, because I can feel when I eat this thing, I can feel that I had this somewhere else, but I don't remember it. Oh man. So this is.
But this is two different. Indian curry and Thai curry is two different things.
Yeah. You ever been to India? No.
I have been in Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka is not in India.
Yeah, I know. No, but yeah, in India I have been only just.
But you ever ate Indian food?
What?
Indian food.
Yes.
Yes.
I like lamb masala. I
Masala. So he's Joe, and then whenever you will come to Jo Ramen, you will meet him. He's such a nice person. You will love his company and wine and food. But ask him for his best ramen because he have everyday special thing, and ask him. Okay guys, so this was really fun with this curry, but I'm not a big fan. I've been to Thailand a lot, and sorry, but I don't know. But now, because of the video and because of me, I love it so much, and then I asked Joe to make me a ramen because I want to show you like he's the best. I think Joe will kill me for this.
But now you have tried this. Now
Yeah,
you know
no,
the taste.
I will
Yeah.
always try this, always
Yeah,
new
yeah.
things, because you never know what is the
Yeah.
best thing. Because the thing is, like when I was in Muscat, there was a thing. Oh man, I forgot the name. But this food, my colleagues were eating always, and they were like asking me, and when I see, I was not open for this
Yeah, yeah.
with the chickpea.
Yeah,
Chickpea?
yeah, yeah.
And one time I just tasted it and it was amazing. And then after that, every time I was waiting for Muscat for this food. So I don't want to regret it again. Look at our ball with ramen. So my ramen is here. So chicken and eggs, and it's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, so now we have ramen here, and I have chopsticks, but I don't know how to eat it. I really tried 2 or 3 times. I don't know how to eat with chopsticks. So it's traditional and it's nice and it's always looks nice, but I want to eat my food. I'm really hungry. And this is the best one. Now I think I will wait every week for ramen. Can't help it.
Ah, here is chili. Good.
It's more than good. I love it. This is the best.
Same like last time.
Yeah. So guys, we are in Jo's Ramen, and I had really nice meal, and I'm really full now, and my wine is also empty, and it was really nice experience. So if you are coming to Tallinn, and then you have to come here, really you have to come here, and it's really such a good place. And if you are with the ship, it's a free Wi-Fi. I told you. So thank you for this lovely time with me. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. And we have to say bye to our friend Jo. So man, you want to say something to us?
Yes, thanks for the visit me,
Yeah.
and thanks for everybody who come to here.
Yeah, so I think Jo is waiting for you here with ramen. He's really nice ramen, and you have to visit him. You have to. If you are in Tallinn, you have to. So we will see us next time with some another really nice video with nice concept. So till then, bye bye.